Hello everyone, welcome to my channel of I Heal Divine. So today this reading is about what blessings and messages goddesses want to give you during this Navratri. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy or a coffee can be, and let's see what guidance and what messages and what blessings the goddesses wants to give you. So if you're new to my channel, please like, follow, subscribe to my channel I Heal Divine. So let's start with the reading. Shamshana, Baglamukhi, Kali Kapali, Gauri Devi, and Kamla Devi. So let's see what messages and blessings are coming your way this Navratri season, which is starting this Monday, September 22nd. So the message what I'm getting is the goddesses are telling you that this Navratri is not about gentle change. It is about powerful, deep transformation. As she is asking you all to destroy the negative parts of your life, like your fears, bad habits, or any type of old problems, and make space for pure divine blessings of peace and abundance. It's like she's telling you clean your dirty room. And when to clean your dirty room, first you must throw out your trash because this is the fierce part, and then you will bring in a beautiful things which is the blessed part. So let's go on with the reading. Now with Shamshana, goddess Shamshana, here she says, see, don't be afraid of this card because here the goddess is standing where old things are burned away. Where old things are burned away. So her message is very clear. She says she has come this Navratri to destroy what no longer serves you. And she's clearing out the dead weight from your life, your guilt, past mistakes, and attachments. So your new life can begin. So she's destroying your past. She's burning away old problems, your guilt, your habits that is holding you back. So don't be afraid because this is very necessary. Then comes Baglamukhi. Now, Baglamukhi is a goddess of protection. Here she says that, and a blessing is basically that she is going to silence the negativity around you. She will stop all the gossip, challenges, and hidden enemies in your path because she will give you the power to win any argument or conflict. So, this Navratri, she is here to stop your enemies. She is going to freeze anyone who speaks badly about you or even try to harm you because she is a protector. Then comes the Kali Kapali. Now, she is the mother Kali, and her fears, you know, Mother Kali is when she is very angry, when she is in fears. But again, don't get scared because here, this Navratri, she is coming to cut the bonds of fear and illusion from you. She is here to cut your attachment to negative thoughts and your fear of the unknown. She is fierce because your freedom requires it. So she's cutting your fears. She's here to chop away your worries and your negative thoughts so you can be free. Then comes the Gauri Devi, the peaceful one. Now with the Gauri Devi says after the destruction, all that whatever has happened that had to go from your life will come peace. So she is blessing you with purification, peace, and marital harmony. She is restoring all your calmness, and she's cleaning your spirit and is bringing happiness to your home and relationship. Then the final outcome is Kamla Devi, the lotus goddess of abundance. She is also known as Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi. And here she is bringing full spiritual and material wealth to you. After all the transformation is complete, you will receive blessings of prosperity, beauty, and goodness in all parts of your life. So she is bringing abundance, full abundance to you this Navratri. And you will receive blessings of money, beauty, and all around goodness in your life. So, overall, what I would say is that Shamshana and Kalima, she comes to destroy the old and negative. Then Baglamukhi, goddess Baglamukhi, comes to protect you from all the harm. And finally, goddess Gauri and Kamla Devi blesses you with peace, harmony, and wealth. So trust this process. That's what the message of the goddess is. Do not resist the changes what will happen in your life, because the goddesses are telling you that they love you and want to give you the greatest blessing. This is welcome this transformation and get ready for a fresh, peaceful, and abundant new beginning. So get ready for a fresh start. In simple words, that's what they want to tell you. That will be filled with space, with peace and blessings this Navratri. So if this resonates with you, or if you want to claim this reading, please don't forget to like and follow my page, I Heal Divine. Please do subscribe, as it really means a lot to me and it will help me to give me more and more readings to you in your future. Till then, thank you, and I will see you in my next reading.